Scratch paper is one of those materials that genuinely surprises people the first time they see it. The contrast, the detail, it looks almost too good for what it is. Let me show you how to set it up right. Click Prepare your first image free to get started. Select Easy Mode and upload your photo. First up, we crop. This image has a bit too much empty space around the subject, so I'm trimming that away to make sure the laser is only working with what actually matters. And hit Continue. Now for the material. Scratch paper behaves a lot like white tile painted black. The coating gets removed by the laser and reveals a bright, contrasting layer underneath. Adjust your size. As soon as you change the width or the height, the other value follows automatically to keep everything proportional. I'm on a 50-watt fiber laser, so I'm going with 508 dpi. Hit Prepare Image and let it work. And here's the result. Sharp, high contrast, exactly what scratch paper needs. Hover over the processed image and a magnifier pops up so you can inspect all the fine details before moving on. Click Download and the file saves automatically. Import the PNG and dial in your settings. For my 50-watt fiber laser, I'm running 1000 millimeters per second, 18% power, 65 kilohertz frequency, and 100 Q pulse. Make sure pass-through is enabled. The image has already been processed, and you don't want your software touching it again. Now we're ready to go. Even while the laser is still running, you can see the image coming through beautifully. Clean lines, strong contrast, no blown-out areas. And there's the final result. Every detail exactly where it should be. No artifacts, nothing lost. Scratch paper really does deliver every single time. Try it yourself completely free at imag-r.com.